This presentation speaks to pump maintenance, how to maintain pumps and the maintenance procedures, and understand what a pump is and its function. A pump is a device used to move fluids, liquids or gases, or sometimes slurries by mechanical action. Pumps can be classified into three major groups according to the method they use to move the fluid: direct lift, displacement, and gravity pumps. Pumps must have a mechanism which operates them and consume energy to perform mechanical work by moving the fluid. The activating mechanism is often reciprocating or rotary. Pumps may be operated in many ways, including manual operation, electricity, an engine of some type, or wind action. The most common and widely used pumps are known as positive displacement. Positive displacement pumps produce a constant flow. However, due to a slight increase in internal leakage as the pressure increases, a truly constant flow rate cannot be achieved. A positive displacement pump must not be operated against the closed valve on the discharge side of the pump, because it has no shut-off head like centrifugal pumps. A positive displacement pump operating against a closed discharge valve will continue to produce flow, and the pressure in the discharge line will increase until line bursts or the pump is severely damaged, or both. A relief or safety valve on the discharge side of the positive displacement pump is therefore necessary. The relief valve can be internal or external. The pump manufacturer normally has the option to supply internal relief or safety valves. The internal valve should, in general, only be used as a safety precaution. An external relief valve installed in the discharge line with a return line back to the suction line or supply tank is recommended. A positive displacement pump can be further classified according to the mechanism used to move the fluid. Rotary type positive displacement has an internal gear, screw, shuttle block, flexible vanes, sliding vanes, circumferential piston, flexible impeller, helical twisted roots, or liquid ring vacuum pumps. Reciprocating type positive displacement piston or diaphragm pumps. Linear type positive displacement, such as rope pumps and chain pumps. These suggested maintenance procedures apply to both hot water circulating pumps as well as the chilled water circulating pumps. Maintenance. Quarterly, visually inspect the pump. Clean the pump strainer. Semi-annually, check pump control and devices for evidence of improper operation. Repair, adjust, or replace components to ensure proper operation. Check variable frequency drive for proper operation. Correct as needed. Visually inspect pumps and associated electrical components. Repair or replace as needed to ensure proper operation. Annual hot water circulating pump maintenance. Check control box for dirt, debris, and loose terminations. Clean and tighten as needed. Check motor contactor for pitting or other signs of damage. Repair or replace as needed. Check drive alignment, wear, bearing and coupling seating and operation. Repair and replace as needed. Check for proper flow. Clean, adjust, and repair as needed. Lubricate field service pump bearings. Thank you for listening. That's the end of this chapter.